Hi everyone. Now we in IKEA. We come to IKEA because we want to go to IKEA restaurant and eat cheesecake in restaurant only. We not want to buy something at IKEA, only in restaurant. Shaira, I don't know where. Where should go, I don't know. Don't want with me maybe. City of Pasay. Sweden population. Philippines population. I don't know where Shaira again. She go straight and this is SM. It's Mall of Asia, SM store. And this IKEA. Entrance to IKEA. Oh, Shaira. Shaira don't want to walk with me. Already in the top. Okay, you can go alone if you want. Now sales. Maybe Shaira want. Maybe Shaira go faster because she want to eat cheesecake. Yes. That's why she's so fast around to Sweden restaurant. Swedish restaurant. Shaira, are you hungry?
I want sweet little bit.
Sweet, but you don't want it?
I want it also because it's not enough before.
So you want to also eat right now, not only sweet, not only cheesecake.
Yes. It's not enough yet.
Not enough. Okay, we will go to restaurant and you can choose what. If she want it, need to feed her because even we eat maybe 30 minutes ago, but she want it again. It's okay, she can eat again. Yes, Shaira? It's okay, no problem. Shaira, this way. Restaurant, on right. Right. In the restaurant we need to wait in the line. Hey.
Hi everyone, we're here in IKEA and we're just only take right now our food and order some food, and I will show to you or I will say to you how much the cost of every food right now. So this carrot cake and chocolate cake is worth of 115 each. And this crochet is how much? 65 pesos. And then
65 peso croissant. How
and
much
the
is?
Swedish meatball is 285. It's already 12 pieces meatball. And also they have 16 pieces there. It's total of 315. And this one, it's cold drinks is 50 pesos. And here in the drinks of coffee is 40 pesos. So total of 620.
But you're not hungry? Hungry? Okay, you eat. Eat, Shaira. It's for you. For me, only this. Only this. This is for me. And Shaira drink coffee, chocolate cake, carrot cake. Many people here.
We just finished it here in IKEA restaurant and it's so good and I love the chocolate cake here. And right now we're going to Marina Bay here in Mall of Asia.